Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on XRP. We're going to do a full update. It's going to be an interesting update. We'll really zoom into the price, but we'll start a little bit zoomed out, and in general I'll just tell you everything you need to know, or at least that I think you need to know. So let's get right into it. I mean, ultimately XRP at this point of time is still incredibly strong. It's not necessarily outperforming the market, as in it is outperforming most other altcoins if you take a look at the last, last 1.5 hours. So that's good, but that's also normal. I mean, XRP is always relatively stable compared to other altcoins. And at this point of time, it's underperforming Bitcoin slightly. Now, yesterday when I made the video, there was actually a lot of relative strength. And there was actually a moment where I thought, ooh, I did not talk about the potential to break above $3. Right now enough, right? Because yesterday there was quite a lot of momentum, and I was looking at the chart and I was like, there is a possibility that we break out now, even though in the video I said I think we're going to pull back first, and then after that maybe we can break out. Well, luckily maybe, or it would have been better if we had broken out. I mean, I'd rather see the price breaking out and me being wrong than me being right and the price pulling back. But ultimately it does look like we are pulling back here. $3 in general is a very strong resistance level. You can see we also broke back down a 30-day rolling VWAP. So that's a bit of technical bearish confirmation. But like I said, I mean, $3 major resistance level, point of control, etc. So we broke above that yesterday briefly. Breakout did not hold, and now we are pulling back. Ultimately though, I mean, the price action that we had over the last 3 days has been great. You can see we broke above the 12-hour trend right here, which doesn't really matter because on the higher time frames you can see that XRP is in a range. A trending indicator like the EMA, and you can also see the proof right here, doesn't always provide support or resistance anymore. But the fact that we've broken above the 90-day rolling VWAP and the 7-day rolling VWAP, and the fact that we have reclaimed the value area low of this range with a fair value gap, that's good news, all right? That fair value gap, I mean, maybe it gets filled. At this point of time, it's quite low. As you can see, the fair value gap is at around -4%. And Wednesday normally is actually a pretty positive day for XRP. So I'm not sure if that's going to be filled, but ultimately leaving that imbalance there is not bad news. However, we have some more imbalances there, and we have some more levels where we can actually find support, where I think it's more likely that we're going to find support. Because I do think, like I said, after hitting a massive resistance level and getting some technical bearish confirmation, that we're going to pull back. Now, the first level that we're looking at, and the main level I think we need to look at, is right here between 2.93 and 2.9. That's a massive level, all right? You have the 200 EMA right there, you have a fair value gap right there, you have the 90-day rolling VWAP, 7-day rolling VWAP, and it's quite respected historically as well. And then you take a look at the chart right here. That's just a major level, right? I think that's most likely going to be the main support, right? So let's keep it simple. And let's say 2.9. There is a possibility if we get some bad news, or if we get some, some drama kicking off, that we're still going to retest 2.84. As long as we hold 2.84, we're good. All right, we're most likely going to rally higher, but I think it's unlikely. I think XRP has been too stable, too strong to drop down all the way there. I think we're going to drop down towards that level at 2.9, like I said, find support there, consolidate a bit, and then from there rally up higher into that intraday resistance level at 3.12, which we spoke about briefly yesterday. It's not a major resistance level. Like, if there's a lot of momentum and we're moving into that level, I would say we're just going to break through that. But as there hasn't been that much momentum for XRP in the last couple of days, I'm going to say it's more likely that we will find some local resistance there. But I'll be back with updates. I mean, I make these videos daily, right? So you will not have to miss me. But that's what I think you need to know for now. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.